What's good, YouTube? So today we're back at you with another shoe on look, and not a review, just an on look, just a quick look. So this right here is the Nike SB Dunks Rayguns. To be specific, it's the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS's. This is in a size 9. I got these on the Nike Sneakers app. Got him. With that being said, you know these are going for resale because it's in a size 9. It's not my size. So somebody out there is gonna get this shoe that really wants it. I don't want it. It's not my style really, but I saw potential to make a little bit of money off of it, so I said why not. But with that being said, here's just a look of the Nike Raygun, Nike Dunk Raygun SB Lows. So as you can see, nice little tie-dye design on the shoe. Nice little logo here, right here. Nice little graphic drawing. You got your Nike on the back. You got your Nike on the tongue. The inside of the shoe, Nike SB Dunk right here. It's the tie-dye insole, as you see. Came with an extra pair of shoelaces, black, right here. Nothing major here, just your regular Nike Dunk shoe. The tongue is really thick, and you see, like it has a number in it. So yeah, pretty decent shoe. Just not my style though. But I know a lot of people like the Dunks. A lot of skateboarders like the Dunks. Just not my thing. This is what the shoe box looked like. For those that are wondering, it came in this box. You guys saw the tissue paper before, but I'll show it again. This is the box, size 9, right here. These are gonna be available. I'm putting these up on StockX. As we speak, they've already been sold. So somebody who really wants this shoe is gonna be very happy. And we're gonna get these out of here. But with that being said, this is a quick on-look video of the Nike SB Dunk Rayguns. I'll give you guys some B-roll. But here you go. Also, got a quick look. My wife copped some shoes off StockX. I'm gonna do a quick review of those. Let me show you what those shoes are. So these right here, my wife copped these. These are the Air Jordan Concords from last year, 2018. She copped these off StockX. I'm gonna do some B-roll on this shoe on the next video, and my wife's gonna do an on-foot look. And I'll be recording that and I'll upload that. So stay tuned for that video as well. But like I said, this video right here is about the Nike SB Dunks sneakers. Stay tuned. I got some Jordan 4s on the way. I'm actually gonna do an on-foot video of that one. So really looking forward for that. Jordan 4 breads to be exact. I missed out on the early part of the year, but I went and got them off of GOAT. So when those come in, I'm gonna do a quick review of those. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen them before, but I haven't seen them in person, and I'm looking forward to it. And that's actually my favorite shoe. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, you guys have a great day and Happy New Year. Peace.